Welcome back to this channel. I'm going to be taking you through how you can upload your videos, how you can optimize your videos perfectly for your videos to be suggested or for you to get views on YouTube. Now we are going to be accessing your YouTube channel or your YouTube studio through the Chrome browser, through your Chrome browser. So this is my YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. You can see this place where you have create. You tap on create. You can see you have upload videos. You tap on upload videos. You see select files. You select your files. You pick. So now I'm going to be taking this as an example because this is not my kid channel. This is not my kid channel. Let me just select one. Okay. All right. Now in this place you have to optimize your title. Here you put your description, and you make use of 3 to 5 hashtags beneath your description. 3 to 5 hashtags beneath your description. After you have put your description, you put 3 or 5 tags beneath it. Then you as well upload or make use of thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail is very perfect. Make sure your thumbnail is very perfect. Then the next thing you would like to do is to select the people your videos are for. If it is for kids, make sure you select for kids. Yes, it's made for kids. If it's not for kids, you select no, it is not made for kids. I hope you can see that here. Now altered content. If your video is actually AI generated, you select yes here, and if it is not, you select no. All right, leave all this the way it is. Leave all this the way it is. Now you have your tags. Your tags are like the secret, they're like the secret tags, secret keywords that people search on YouTube that would make your video to be suggested to them. So if you have created a video on how to cook rice and beans, so you should make sure that your tags here should be like rice and beans, how to cook rice and beans, something like that. Do you understand? So that is your secret tags. Your secret tags. Now this place is very, very important. If your channel is yet to get subscribers, your channel is still growing, this place where you have publish to subscriptions field and notify subscribers, kindly do what? Kindly off it, kindly uncheck it. When you check it, YouTube push your video or notify your subscribers about your new video. And now since that you don't have subscribers on your YouTube, make sure you always uncheck it. Now moving on to the next. In this place you can add cards. Let's try to add a card here. Now you can add a video. Select a video from your past video, the videos that you've uploaded before. And if you've not uploaded any video before, you just leave it that way. So you select one and you balance it to where you want that video to be. It's like advertised, like you're advertising your video. So you drag it to where you want that video to be advertised. You drag it. You can see the timeline that I'm dragging. You drag it and you select. You leave it. Then you do what? You save. You save. You can see the save, the blah 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 here. So you do for the others and you save as well. All right, you can leave this, and you also see this as well. Add an end screen. You can as well add an end screen. It is not showing there for a reason. I won't tell you that. Next. So now I've always said this, that you always upload your videos on private. Always upload your videos on private, and you schedule when you want that video to be published. So you schedule. I used to publish my video 9 a.m. for example. You select 9 a.m. you select the date. If I want this video now to be published on 31st of this month, I'll select 31st, and the date I want it to, the time rather I want it to be published, I'll select it 5 p.m. Then you do what? You schedule. You can see schedule here, so you tap on schedule. Before you schedule, make sure you take a perfect look about this place. This place must be, 3 of them here must be checked, must be perfectly checked. You can see here saying checks complete, no issues found. When you have issues found, then it means you have copyrights. You have a copyright. So you make sure you balance and you upload your videos well if you want to get visibility on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you.